Hello friends, today I'm going to show how to clean the laptop on the keyboard. You see the dust you have, you can feel dust inside the keys in the keyboard. I'll show a very simple way to remove this dust. Okay, I'm using this one jelly. See, super clean. Okay, you can see the dust small inside this keyboard. Okay, it's this one, and you can use all inside the keys. It will catch all the small dust inside these keys, and also clean. You can use this item not only for keyboard, you can use for your car dashboard, fan, like that items. Okay, thank you for watching.